Water block challenge is perhaps one of the most difficult challenges in all of Minecraft. A challenge in which you spawn in a totally empty world with a single source of water and a fishing rod. And using some of the craziest game mechanics, your goal is to simply beat the game. On top of that, there's a couple rules that I'm gonna follow. Number 1, it has to be done in hardcore mode. Rule number 2, no tick rate manipulation. And if you're wondering what that is, it basically just allows you to speed the game up, and that's not something I'm gonna do in this challenge. And rule number 3, no backups or checkpoints. If I die, I gotta restart the entire challenge from day 0. This is gonna be so freaking difficult, guys. I have no idea what I signed up for. Now, in order to beat this challenge, the first thing we need is a block. The problem now is how the heck are we going to get a block from a fishing rod and a single water source? And how are we going to place a block on water? Because last I checked, you can't actually do that. So there's all these problems, but luckily every problem has a solution. And for phase 1, the solution is as simple as a fishing rod. Now, in my opinion, I think fishing is one of the most underrated game mechanics in all of Minecraft. And the reason I say that is look at this. Look at all of the items that you can get in this game just from fishing. Now, if you didn't know, fishing is split up into 3 categories. You got fish, treasure, and junk. And in this challenge, we're going to be looking closely at all of the junk items that you can get, because surprisingly, almost every single one of these items is useful. And when you're fishing in a jungle biome, you have a chance to get bamboo, which is going to be absolutely critical for this challenge. And the reason for that is I'm actually playing in version 22W42A, which was the first snapshot that introduced bamboo planks to the game. And as long as you have the experimental features turned on, you can actually craft bamboo planks from only 4 pieces of bamboo. And once you have bamboo planks, you got yourself a wood source, which means you can make a crafting table, sticks, and a bunch of other useful items needed to beat the game. And the only reason I know this is because when I was researching for this video, I actually saw a video by Caman18 basically describing the one water block challenge. So yeah, shout out to Caman18 for pretty much making this whole thing possible. Now, before we can place any blocks, the first thing we need to fish is our lily pad. And fishing on this little block is actually so freaking difficult. You have to get like right on the edge of it. You have to look straight up, throw the bobber, and just wait for a fish while floating literally in the middle of the void. And what